Okay, today we're going to be practicing double-digit subtraction, and we're going to use a base 10 model to get this answer. So make sure you have your whiteboard marker eraser, and let's get ready to practice. First, let's go ahead and write down the problem, 49 minus 32. We want to go ahead and set up a T-chart with our tens and our ones, just like that. So when we're subtracting 49 take away 32, all we're going to show is the 49. We're going to draw out 4 tens and 9 ones. So I'm going to do that now. 10, 20, 30, 40. There's our 40. And now we'll draw 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, be careful, don't smush your tens together. Notice that I gave a lot of space between my tens so that when I start crossing things out, it's very clear of what I'm doing. So don't smush the tens together. Okay, now I am ready to take a look at what I'm going to get rid of. I'm going to be getting rid of 32. So I can go ahead, I'll start with the tens. I'll get rid of 3 tens, okay? So I'm going to do that right now. There's 10. 20, 30, okay? So far, so easy. Now I'm gonna get rid of 2 ones. So I just cross out 2 of the ones. 1 and 2. That's it. Now I just count up what I have left over. I have a 10 here. And then over here, I'll count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7. I push those 2 numbers together to get the answer. 17. Easy peasy. Okay, clean off your board and let's get ready for another problem. Okay, now we're going to work on 87 minus 45. Go ahead and write that down. And now that you have that written down, we're going to go ahead and do what we always do. We make our tens and ones chart. Okay, so now I'm going to draw out 87. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, there's the 80 for 87. Now I'll go ahead and draw out the 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So far, so easy. Now I'm going to cross out 4 tens and 5 ones. I'll start with the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, I did that. Now I'll go ahead and I'll look at the ones place. Are there 5 ones? Yes, there are. So I'll cross out 5 of them. 2, 4, 5. And I have that left over, 2. And I have 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 left over there. It's always good to count it. And that's my answer, 42. So far, those 2 first problems have been really, really easy. And that's because there was no regrouping. Let's see what we need to do when we need to regroup. Let's get ready. Okay, we have 62 minus 48. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw out 62 in my tens and ones frame. So here I go. Here's my tens and ones. Tens and ones. I'll draw out 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now I'll draw the 2 ones. 1 and 2. Okay. Now I need to cross out 4 tens and 8 ones. I'll go ahead and start with the 4 tens. So here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40. So far, so easy. Now I need to cross out 8 ones. But wait a minute. I don't have 8 ones. I only have 2 ones. In class, we'll start yelling red alert, right? Red alert, red alert. I'm going to try to write it really quick. Red alert. We can't do that. It's impossible, but it's not impossible because we're going to take this 10, we're going to push it over to this side, and we're going to break it up into ones. That's what we're going to do right now. And when we're done, we have to cross it out from that side. So I'm going to take that 10, say goodbye. I'm moving them over to this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now I can cross out the 8 ones. So I'm going to do that right now. 2, 4, 6, 8. I'm left with this, with 4 ones on this side and 1 10 on that side. So I have 10 and I have 4. And when I push a 10 and a 4 together, I get 14. Okay, that's how we work on problems when there's regrouping. So it's really important that you work really slowly on these types of problems. So here we go. Let's try one. So go ahead and write down 73 minus 56. We'll make our little T-chart with our 10s and our 1s. And we're going to be drawing out 7 10s and 3 1s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 3 1s, 1, 2, and 3. I'll go ahead. I'm going to get rid of 56. I'll start with the 5 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Okay. Now I'll get rid of 6 1s. Wait a minute, I can't do that. There's not enough. Oh my goodness gracious. I can't do it, but what I can do is I can grab that 10, push him over, and break him up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cross him out from this side. He's not on that side anymore because I pushed him over. Now I am able to cross out 6 on the one side, okay? So there's 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's ignore the dog. And there we go. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7 1s. And look at that guy right there. He's right there. He's a 10. Okay. So I've got a 10 on this side and a 7 on this side. Push them together, and we have 17 as our answer. Okay, you guys are doing fantastic. Okay, 67 minus 32. I'm going to let you guys do this problem all by yourself. I'm going to pause the video. This is your tester problem, so you pause your video and try to get the right answer on your own. I'll go ahead and pause it on my end too. All right, I'm really hoping that you paused it. And step 1, you were supposed to make your T-chart with your 10s and 1s. So I hope you're looking at your work. I'm going to solve the problem. Yours is done. You're going to check to see if you got the right answer. So I have to draw at 67. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I got to get rid of 32. So here I go. 10, 20, 30, 2. I have this left over. That's 30. And I have that, and that looks like it's 5. Final answer is 35. So I bet you got it correct. That one was easy because there was no regrouping. The next one, there will be regrouping. So good luck on that one. Let's get over to it. Here it is, 81 minus 27. Set up the problem. Take your time. There's regrouping. Do a great job. Pause the video, and we'll see if we both get the same answer. Okay, it's time to see if you were successful or not. Here we go. We have our 10s and our 1s, and we're drawing 81 out. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And I got to draw 1. There's the 1. That was easy. Okay. Now I've got to go ahead and get rid of 27. So I'll start with 2 10s. 10, 20. That was easy. 7 1s. Red alert, red alert, red alert. You can't get rid of 7 from there. So we'll take this guy, push him over, break him up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cross him out. Now I'm going to get rid of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's what's left on that side. So I have 4 on this side and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 on this side. So my answer is 54. Did you get it right? I bet you did. So this strategy of using base 10 models is a really great strategy for subtraction. I know you're going to do an awesome job on the next couple of weeks on this unit.